Okay, so recently our cichlid had died, so we used to have 2 of these guys. So like 2 of those guys. But yep, the other one died. So anyways, also got a new catfish in our statue. And yeah. And our golden barb, our gold barb, see it's got that red thing. We don't know what it really is. And yeah, we're just wondering what it is. I got some Rominoses too. And yeah.